guys, you're on Fingers 13 and today's video is going to be a first impression and a review slash like a demo, me putting it on my lips, of the famous, let's pretend I have drums, the ultimate pair in the shade Back Talk and Rush by the brand, guess what brand? Urban Decay. So I got this as a gift from a family friend.
Like a family friend? Like a whole family? Which is like a friend to my whole family?
So I didn't want to look at the price of this since this was a gift. You know, it's kind of like rude just like looking up the price of something you got as a gift. But I also have to look at the price to see if it's worth the quality, you know? Yo, it's on a sale right now for $15. But it originally goes for $22, you know? So let's get on with the applying. So pause. Before further ado, make sure to subscribe down below in the little red bell button, and right next to the red bell button, once you hit it, it's supposed to turn gray, and you're gonna hit the little post notification bell button so that we'll get notified the second I upload my videos. So give this video a huge thumbs up so that way you let me know that you liked it and you want to see more first impressions and review and demos. So share this video too with a makeup junkie so that way, yeah, they could be notified of this and they could see probably if they like it. If they like my review, then they could test it out, or if you know somebody that wants to buy it but like this ends up being super bad, then like you could warn them, hey, she said this is super bad, don't spend your money on it. Okay, so let's actually get on with the application. Thank you if you said bless you. So the box has a UD, their classic logo, and it says the ultimate pair. It says Back Talk and Rush. It has a picture of the lipstick without the cap, and it has a picture of the lip pencil. Then it has the ingredients to the side. My family friend got it at Macy's. So the back says Urban Decay, the ultimate pair, prime and define with 24/7 glide on lip pencil and Rush, a pink mauve, it's a mauve color. Our waterproof formula, it's waterproof, glides on and stays put. Finish it off with the perfect match Vice lipstick. Oh, okay, same color, that means it's mauve too. In Back Talk mauve nude pink, it's a nudish pink. Comfort matte, our pigment infusion system delivers insane payoff every time. This super creamy formula, okay, it's not matte, hits your lips. The ultimate pair for ultra long wear. This duo creates an addictive look that lasts.
Like, it's not, I wouldn't say it's the mattiest box, like the mattiest box. It's like more like a shiny black with, it's like shiny with a mix of matte box packaging, if you feel me. And it has like the gold lettering. And
like to the other side, the ingredients. So the lip pencil only says Urban Decay 24/7 glide on lips pencil. It says a shade Rush. And then it comes in like this dark pinky, yeah, like a mauvish color. Then it has a gray cap and a gray tip. Is this like a screw up pencil? Oh, it's like an actual pencil, I think. Yeah, because you can't pull this out, I think, right? Let's get on with the feeling good. I have pretty good lips, so.
Yo, I've never actually really filled in my lips before, like line them, so this is super hard, and I feel like I'm doing pretty well on the bottom lip, so let's go on to the top lip, so props for me.
Yo, I accomplished it. Okay, I've seen people like fill in their lips before, so I guess I have to do that. Like probably I'll do like little creases to like see if I could like contour my lip a little, so that way you could get like the fuller effect. All I'm doing after like lining my lips is like doing like little lines like this, like you see. the color. The color is good. Now let's apply the Urban Decay lipstick in Backtop Comfort Matte. Oh yes. The thing is that if I wear mattes, my lips are gonna be really dry because my lips are already chappy because of the weather outside. So the packaging comes in this slick metallic-y stick and has like a gold bottom, but then like a dark silverish top. The packaging has on top Urban Decay, like their little logo, UD. Ugh. It's like a little really slick. It's like, it looks actually like a bougie lipstick. Like it could be like pulling it out and be like, yeah, my lipstick looks so bougie. So let's give it a run. It's twist. It comes a standard amount of lip product. It's good. It has the UD right there. The pencil does glide on super good. Not gonna lie, it is a glide on pencil. Do recommend it if you want to buy it alone. It's in the shade Rush, just so you know. And remember that the lipstick is Backtop. It's like, it looks matte, but it's not matte. And I could tell it's matte because it's literally showing all of my, it's like, it has like a matte finish, but it's not matte. It's like a creamy, like one of those like lipsticks that you feel like are gonna come off if you put your mouth on a bottle of water. I will do that we'll do that test in like 10 minutes and I'll show you guys what happens after like 10 minutes. So it's like a matte. It has like a matte look, but it's not matte at all. Like not, I can move it around. My lips aren't stiff. But if it is matte and I'm just mistaken and it's since it's like really comfy and I don't feel the matte, then it's a really good matte because I literally do not feel it on my lips. I like the color though a lot. It's like, but it's a little more purpley than mauve to be honest, but I don't know. Is mauve supposed to be that way? Am I right? Am I wrong? Don't know. But overall, I do really like the product. Super creamy. Both super creamy. If you're not a very like matte person, but you like the matte look, I would recommend you going for the Ultimate Duo pair. It is really good, especially for $15 right now. You should go get yours right now because Urban Decay has a sale on their website for $15 when it originally cost $22. So that's like a $7 discount and it's really good. I love the application. I love how it looks. So yep, I like it. For being the first time I wear a lip liner, I feel like I did really good, guys. How much do I rate this? We'll see after I test it out with my bottle of water after like 10 minutes to see if it wears off or not. So, see you guys in 10 minutes. I put on my makeup in these 10 minutes because I realized that I literally filmed the video barefaced. Okay, so this will be the ultimate test to see if it is a matte or not by putting my lip on this water bottle and drinking some water and see if it comes off after just like 10 minutes. Let's see. Okay, I did get makeup removed, but it still look good. But still guys, I do recommend this because look, I just applied it, so it's not like the super driest yet, but it's not like, you know, like super wet still. Like you just can't like apply and be like, and then obviously not expect it to like wear off. But I feel like it did dry in like a good 10 minutes. I'm like, girl, I recommend this product. Yep, just don't wear a matte with chappy lips. But to be honest, it doesn't even look that bad. But to BH, it actually looks nice. So I do recommend this product. I'm not gonna say go buy the Urban Decay Ultimate Pair, but I will say if you plan on buying this, or you didn't think about buying this but now you feel like buying it, just go buy it. Just go buy it. Just go treat yourself, girl. $15. There's products at the drugstore that cost more than $15. So why would you not buy a high-end makeup brand for $15 with super good quality? Let's just appreciate that they're full size with a wearable color to like go out. And even if you're not going out, girl, if you're just a makeup junkie and you love makeup, girl, just go wear your makeup. So I hope you guys like this review, demos, at first impression. I personally love doing them because it's so fun trying out new products. So yeah. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in